In this video, you will learn about historical versus summary circulation reports. This is my first time running these reports for my media center, and I'm very excited. So what we're going to do is from the Reports tab in Destiny, we would scroll down and choose the Collection Statistics Historical. Then let's look at circulations from August 1st of 2018 to circulation on June 1st of 2019. I'm sorry, I want to change those to 17 to 18. And we're going to go ahead and choose run. You have many options here. You can go in and look at your call number so you can see your circulation. You can go in and look at your Dewey classifications. You can look at a particular resource list, certain circulation types. But here we just want to see total circulation. So we're going to choose run report. And then usually in Destiny, if you hit refresh, you'll get your report. And this is maybe a lot of data, so it's going to take a moment. And now that's ready for us to view. And let's just look and find out that basically for the school year 2017-2018, circulation was at 3,001 items. So now what I'm excited to see is what my circulation statistics are looking like, as this is my first year. So I'm going to go in and do that again, but this time I'm going to change this from August of 2018 until right now. And then we're going to save that date. And let's go ahead and run this report. So we can view this report and we can see that the circulation right now is at 2,100. So I've got some work to do if I want circulation to equal or exceed what it was last year. Now let's look at the summary report. You can go back into Library Reports, scroll down and choose the Collection Statistics Summary. And what happens when you click on that summary is your statistics just show up. And so here you'll see that you can see all of your circulations by the month, by the year, and your total circulation. And it divides it into Dewey ranges. It divides it into different types of call numbers that you have. And so then again, you can see that you can see your total circulation for this school year. And then you can also see the number of items in your collection. So in this video, we discuss the difference between historical and summary circulation report.